Hi, my name is Evelyn Single.
I'm Rudolph Montgomery.
We sought help from MaxScore because at first our credit was out of control. We couldn't apply for anything. We couldn't get anything. So we came to MaxScore. We've been here enrolled almost 2 months. I had 22 items on my credit report. They had deleted 12. So all I have is 10 left to get deleted. I mean, it's the best place to come. They work with you. We get monthly reports. We get email constantly. They're always on top of us and guiding us in the right direction.
And they even have a little payment plan. So if you like, I would like for you to join in. I had 198 on my credit report, and now it's 122. It's deleted after 1 month. Check MaxScore. They the best. We were skeptical because a lot of companies draw you in, get your money, and then set you up. You know, you come in there.
Consolidate your bills.
Yeah, want to consolidate your
bills.
bills.
Still have a problem.
And break it down. I had a family member that joined into us